cripple! You're so mean. Doing? Is that what you do to your dog? Because he's just enjoying it. What? Mishu!
Mishu, call him.
Mishu! Up, yep, he's a good dog.
Come.
Mishu!
Come on.
Just run up the...
Brush you off. No.
He's gonna poop again.
No, what? What's so important about these leaves?
I don't think he's ever seen leaves before.
There's not a trillion leaves out here.
There's not. We're just... Well, these are dead leaves.
Oh my.
You look thrilled, Caitlin.
You done? Come on, Mishu. Come on.
He wants to go back.
Come on. Brush you off.
He just heard back. Hi, puppy.